Today we about to work on this Sentra right here. We about to change the bulb, and I'm gonna show you how to remove the tail light in case you want to remove the tail light. If you don't, whatever. So let's get it. As you see, the brake light's out. This one's on, that one's on, and this one's not. You see that? I don't know if you see. The tail light's on, but the brake doesn't work. Like this one. Supposed to be bright red. See, bright red. You give you another example. There you go. I'll put the brake down. As you see, this works. This works. This one's not on. See that? Not on. No good. Now, let's change that bulb. Tools you will need, easy. You know, my favorite, electric ratchet, 8mm, and a flathead. Let's do this. Flathead, you take this clip off right here. Here's a clip. Just take it off. Some people have that there, some people don't. But if you have it, take it off. Now, pull this down. Pull this down. This is your brake bulb right here. This is the bulb. I think this is what is this? There you go, 1157. 1157 bulb. Let's see if I have this bulb. Well, I thought I had this bulb, but I don't. So I'm gonna have to go to the store and get one. Now, if you want to take off the tail light, the whole tail light, let's take off these bulbs. Take those out. Already know. Already know. Now, let's take off these 4 bulbs. Bolts. Okay. Now, let's push on it. Just like that. It should pop right out. Just like that. Just take it out. If you're changing the tail light, all you gotta do is just slap it back on, put it back in the holes. I ain't changing mine, so I'm just showing you how to take off the tail light. Slap this on. Make sure you seal. It's not, you know, reseal. Put some seal on here so it don't leak around there. Put it in the hole. Put it in the hole. Put it in the hole. Yeah, push in. Oh shit. Okay. Just sit like that. Flush. Let's put the 4 bolts. Nut. Whatever you want to call them. Oh shit. Squeeze that on there. Do that. Now, just tighten these bolts. Tighten these shits. Tighten these shits. Last one. Well, got the bowl. Let's put that shit on. Alright. Make sure you put it in right. Like that. Go down. Twist right. Now, let's put Put this on. Okay. Twist right. Get to plug in the connector. Put this here. Alright. Forget that your clip back on there. That's it. Same thing for the other side. Same thing I did here. Do the same thing over here. Either you're changing the bulb or you're changing the tail light. 4 bolts. You know, brake bulb, and yeah. Now all 3 is working now. You see? As you see, look at that. 1, 2, 3 are on. Look at that. Bam. Make sure you check that the lights work. As you see, they all work now. Before it was just these 2, that one and that one. Now this one works now. You see how it's bright now? Bright. Nice. Simple and easy. See how easy that was? Now, if you're stuck, just rewind the video. You can rewind it. Watch it again and again and again until you get it. Alright? So, if you have anything else you want me to do, comment below. And don't forget, give me a like and subscribe. Got a lot more coming.